What if I want to update the value of an element at a specific position in the array? To update the value of an array element, use the same array notation syntax you used to assign the value, which is this one. Remember, if you already assigned a value to an index, any new value with the same index will override the current value. I mean, new value will override the existing value. Let me show you. Index 2 already has a value 3, but this statement will replace the value from 3 to 10. You can see the value of 10 here, replaced with the value of 3. Right now, the size or length of an array is 4. And you can see I have assigned 4 elements to it. Here is another question for you. What happens if I change the size from 4 to 3? This will throw an error. You can see the error detail here and the type of error generated. I have already explained this to you. The length you use for the array must match the number of values assigned to it. This length is actually the number of elements within the array. That means if the length is 3, then the number of elements assigned to it must be 3. Okay, what happens if I change this value from 3 to 5? Everything is fine. This is because the 5th spot in the array still gets the default value of 0, as you can see here. That means you can always use the length greater than the number of elements assigned to the array, but the length cannot be less than the number of elements in the array. In short, length can be greater than, but it cannot be less than the number of elements. Change this value back to 4.